Addicts Haunts, and today we got the brand new Spirit Halloween 2023 Black Heart. Okay, so here we go. Now, a little backstory on this guy. I ordered him about 2 days ago. He arrived really quickly. He did. Very happy. But yeah, so I've liked this guy ever since when he came out for the season. And I was debating on getting him, but then I finally decided that I was definitely gonna get him because I liked him a lot. But yeah, so first we actually take this head right here. This is the Black Heart's head. Usually never unbox the head first, but there it is. It's very nice. It's actually massive compared to my head. It's nice, got a little nice motor for his mouth to talk. Next piece we have is, looks like an arm, sorta. I don't even know what that's for. Probably for his one arm that he opens, because I know he opens when he's holding the girl. Here is his chest piece, or the girl's chest piece, I'm not quite sure. It could be for either or part, I'm not quite sure. This is the woman. Wow, she is very detailed. Let me get a close-up of that. She's very nice, detailed. Those are real lashes, by the way. They're fake lashes, but they feel like realistic. She is crazy. She's got the black, I'm not even quite sure what that is. I don't even know. I don't know. So, whatever that is. This is the girl's shoulder with her arms, right there. We have some clothes here, it looks like. Right here, I think this is her clothes, I think. She has clothes as well, just like from her shirt. We have another chest piece for the girl. We have one of the Black Heart's arms, and wow, it's huge. Hand's huge. I like the paint job on it. Looks nice. We have the other arm that you can, I think you're not, no, that just goes like this, so like when he's holding, and then he goes like this. So yeah, there's another one of his arms. This is the Black Heart's clothes for sure. Yep, and we have the instruction booklet in here. It's a nice big Ziploc. Yeah, so that's that. Looks like everything else is zip tied down, so I'm gonna cut all these zip ties, and I'll be right back once I do so. Okay, and just like that, I cut all the zip ties. We have a lot of pieces in here. First up, I'm gonna take this piece. This is wow, all these pieces are mixed in with all these. Okay, this is, I think that what holds the chest piece to the girl. We have the Black Heart's arm mechanism, where how he pulls his arm. It's right here with the spring and all that. Some wires, cotter pins as well. We have the module for Black Heart. It's very nice. And we have the adapter. And then we have the hip loop right here. Now, I'm not quite sure. I think these are stakes. I'm pretty positive. There's no label on them. I'll open those off camera. Pretty positive those are stakes though. And last piece we have is the base for Black Heart with all these zip ties on it. So yeah, that is everything. Oh geez, why is it? Oh. Whoops, picked that up on accident. That is everything inside the box. Now let's go straight to the setup. Okay, so first step is, well, what I'm realizing is that these are not labeled at all, so you kind of have to wing it almost. That goes there. These are his, I don't even know, leg pulls almost, kinda, sorta. I think that's right. Yeah, and then these support beams go right in these little sockets right here, and you can push that in later, but yes, these little support beams go right in these little things just to give him more support so he doesn't tip over. Oh, there we go. Okay. Thought those were gonna be a little hard to push in, but turns out they're not. Next piece, you are going to want to attach this. It's like the girl. This is like the girl's legs. But it's all gonna be covered, so you won't. Doesn't matter anyways. It won't matter at least. And like again, the same thing with another one of these little supports right here. It's nice that they did that, but yeah. So then you are going to attach these right here. It's the same thing. That's why I don't think they're labeled. But yeah. So it's still in frame. So well, actually, yeah. Let me attach this last one right here, and we are already going to move the camera up because it is already getting pretty tall. All right. Let's move the camera up and we'll continue the setup. Okay, all right. Now, next step, we are going to attach this part to the girl right here. Goes in, wants to. Just like that. A little hard to do, but it's all right. Next, we are going to attach the control box that goes on these two prongs right here. One here. One here. There we go. Yep, that's in. Alright. Next step, we are going to attach. Oh, it's trapped in her hair. Don't want to ruin her hair. Well, actually, we're going to attach this hip loop because if you forget this, it won't be good. Let me set this down real quick. Hip loop, pretty simple. You just put it in these two prongs right here. Just like that. And now you're going to attach his main mechanism, his opening mechanism, basically. But yeah, I bet it's already getting tall, so we're going to move the camera up one more time, and we're going to attach the arms and the clothes. So here we go. Okay, so one thing I also forgot to do is to put on the shoulder piece right here, but that's pretty self-explanatory. That's pretty easy. There is his arm. That's going to open like that. Now let's get his shirt, his big shirt, his clothes and everything. Okay, so it's a lot of squat right here. We're gonna try to find the hood so we know where the front is. The hood is right here, I believe. Is this the hood? Yep. All right. So we're basically, no, just want to make sure I'm doing this right. Right here. And then you're gonna, yep, and then basically put this over top of him. Not this part, just hit him himself, not the girl part. That's just gonna slide over just like that. You can pull it down, just like this. Okay, next step. We are going to attach his arms on both sides, and it just looks like, just a nice, easy, there's no hole back here. On the other side, it's weird because there's a hole on the other side, but it's pretty easy. All I gotta do is line up the two spots right here, and just like that. It's perfect. You can cover the arm, however you want to do it. Velcro it. There's some Velcro right here. I don't know where it is. Well, felt it for a second. I don't know where it is anymore. But yeah, so you can just, basically cover it. Then you're going to want to string his hand through it so it looks like he's more wearing like a sleeve almost. Just want to put his arm through it, just like that. Like I said, you can adjust it however you like later. But yeah, just like that. Looks good. Next, we are going to attach the other arm right on this side, and this is the one that has the arm movement to it. This might be a little bit more challenging to connect. I'm not quite sure. It might be really easy. Let's see. Yeah, the hole is right here to connect it. Okay, just like that. I got that arm on. That was a little bit of a challenge, but it's all right. We got it. Next step is this arm right here. And this is basically going to cover the girl completely with this right here. And then what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to open the arm until you hear the motor just like that. You don't want to force it, just in case you don't want to break it. Same thing goes for this side. You're going to want to put the hand through this, like the sleeve part right here. And then you can Velcro it right here with the Velcro. And just like that, that is looking perfect. Make sure that IR sensor is exposed so you can activate if you have them on sensor. Next step, we are going to attach the girl right in here. I don't know if you guys can even see that. I have to bring you guys a little closer, but I don't even see that. But there's a pole right here. I'm gonna attach the girl just like so. You hear that snap lock. Next, we are going to attach her chest plate just like that. And then we are going to pull up her shirt just like this. Okay, and just like that, it's a little bit of a struggle to put her arms through, but it's okay. It just takes some time to adjust. Next up, you are going to tie her hands, basically, or Velcro them at least, so it look like they're tied up, basically, just like this, just so they're away, they're not in the way. Oh shoot, well, Velcro came undone, but, all right, just like this. Okay, perfect. So next up, we are going to attach the two heads. First, we'll attach the girls. I think it's just a nice little easy snap lock. That's the way it looks at least. You want her head turned at like an angle and a snap lock, just like that. Let me move the camera up and we will attach the Black Heart's head and then we'll go straight to the demo. So let me attach the head real quick and I'll show you guys and then we'll go straight to the demo. Okay, he's all wired up and all nicely closed and everything. He's all adjusted. Let's plug him in and let's go to the demo. Here we go. Black Heart.
Don't be afraid. Your time has come. Join me now and forever. We will own the night.
He is amazing, guys. He is absolutely incredible. Let's roll another demo real quick.
Soon you will forget everything. Your life, your past. You will stay with me for the rest of eternity. Don't be afraid. Your time has come. Join me now and forever. We will own the night.
So there he was, you guys. That was 2023 Spirit Halloween Black Heart Animatronic. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.